In the impact of the internet on geographic competition among small local firms, we study the effects of joining electronic markets for small, boutique firms selling presence goods or services which must be consumed in a specific location, such as a meal at a restaurant or vehicle maintenance at a body shop. These types of firms have recently begun to engage in electronic commerce, enabled by technologies and services such as location-aware advertising and local daily deal sites. Previous research regarding the interplay of local and internet commerce has focused on commodity goods, differences in transportation costs, and competition between pure online and brick-and-mortar vendors. We examined the effects of lowered search costs through brick-and-mortar vendors' participation in electronic markets on local competition among restaurants and spas by combining novel data sets from Groupon, Google Maps, Flickr, and UrbanSpoon. For a given city, using Flickr shapefiles, we identify the primary Groupon service area. Then, using vendor locations collected from Google Maps, we identify clusters of vendors which represent consumer choice sets. By observing the patterns in daily deal offerings, we determine how participation in electronic markets by some vendors in a cluster impacts local and citywide competition. We find that as spa vendors in a particular locality participate in electronic markets, local competition increases and other vendors in the same area join the electronic market in response. However, this does not hold at the broader city level. Restaurants, being more differentiated than spas, don't seem to follow the same pattern. To measure the effects of differentiation, we collect data on the distribution of cuisine types and prices for restaurants in each locality through UrbanSpoon. We find that the impact on competition is moderated by the amount of horizontal and vertical differentiation in a local area, with those areas having lower differentiation experiencing a higher local competitive effect. Our findings validate analytical results in existing literature and have implications for firms and daily deal platforms. Please attend my talk during the 8 a.m. session on November 9th to hear more.